you camera shy and also don't have your own content, but still want to create a YouTube channel and earn a lot of money? Then you are at right place. In this video, I will tell you top 5 fresh faceless YouTube ideas on which you can upload videos using only free stock footages. Number 1. Top 10. Create informational content on top 10 list of your favorite topics. It can be top 10 destinations for tourists, top 10 movies, and many others, and use stock footages to represent your points. Fitness or workout, tutorials. People love to learn about how to get stronger. And if you are interested in fitness or workout, but don't have confidence to come in front of camera, you can use free workout stock footages of different exercises and use your voiceover to explain how to correctly perform those exercises. But never provide any false information, as it may break your audience trust. Wildlife. Everyone loves animals and want to know about wildlife, like how they live, what they eat, different animal species, and many more. You can create a channel on wildlife and tell about different animal species. Ask ChatGPT to learn about different animal facts and use stock footages to represent them. Recipe videos. Eating delicious dishes is everyone's favorite, and they are always looking for good recipes. You can create a cooking channel. Use free stock footages to create a cooking channel, and ask ChatGPT to provide you with any recipe you want and add voiceover on footages to deliver the recipe. Historical places. If you are interested in historical places and you research on historical places, then this niche is for you. There are many people who want to know about old historical places. You can use stock footage to represent those places and your voiceover to tell story. Even if you have no knowledge about historical places, you can still work on this niche and you use ChatGPT to find about old facts. This niche is very in demand, and if you want to know how to create videos about historical places in detail, comment below, and I will create a full video on how to easily make this type of videos in no time. And if you want a part 2 on this video, then comment part 2 in description. And if this video is helpful to you, give a like and subscribe to our channel.